5x. That is absolutely crazy.
When you get cold on the night time, you can warm yourself up.
What? I can't blow myself up with that. Yeah, you got scared. You got that absolute scared. Like it looks like so orange, but on like recording it's so red.
Okay.
It looks way better on recording. That's absolutely crazy. Oh my god.
Oh my god, could you move?
Oh, what the hell? What the hell?
See what he's doing? He's recording for when he's in bed. He doesn't warm himself up in bed.
Now I'm putting on YouTube.
Now I'm putting on my dad's fire.
What the hell?
Yeah, he's got city.
What the hell? Like, just look how crazy that, like how tall it is.
Yeah.
Fucking tall as hell.
Look, you can see all the dead bodies in it.
Ah! Well, the video's been on for 4 minutes. I should just put this on for YouTube. Finally. Now it's just all red and orange, just different kind of shade of orange. Oh, now it's, oh, that is definitely dangerous.
How close do you think you get before you start to
Probably like over that piece of ground there. Like right over there, on that piece of ground.
you reckon you push that bin?
No! That bin would be... that would be crazy if you could actually touch the bin, but you'll get burnt if you touch the bin. Well, now my eyes getting burnt.
Should pour some cheaties. Put some cheaties in it.
Throw up. Throw it out.
Mix some with cheaties.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I'm gonna get back so I can actually record the whole last thing.
How long is it?
Yeah.
You recording in 5 minutes.
Yeah. You see how burnt you're like blazing those are, the wood. Yeah, beefing with this bucket. Jesus Christ.
Oh, you stopped recording now.
Nah, bro, this, you see how big it's getting? Right, I'll get it.